Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the little filter on your Russell Hobbs illuminating glass kettle. So this will allow you to take it out and give it a nice good clean. This kettle is particularly scaled up, so it might not be enough just to run it under the tap with a toothbrush. You might need to use a descaling solution, but hopefully yours is cleaner and running it under the tap will give it a nice clean. So we're going to open up the lid here, and we have a little point here and here that we can squeeze, and then the filter will come out this way here. So I'm going to try to just do it where you can see on the camera. So I'm squeezing here and here, and there you go. You can see how easy that comes out there. And if you can see how scaled up that is. So I'm going to get a toothbrush and some warm tap water. Let's see if we can clean that without using any chemicals. As you can see now, that looks so much better than it did before. So let's pop it back in the kettle. This whole kettle is very scaled up, but I'm just giving a clean just on the entrance to where the gauze goes in. But the whole kettle does need a descale. And to put it back in, we're just going to put it in this way, like that, and it just goes in here and clips into place, like so. And then we're in. So it's really easy to take out and put back in again, like so. Hopefully this video's helped you out. Thanks for watching.